So I'm out here this morning and I'm about to dump out the sewer, but I wanted to throw in a quick video here about the electric. Just if you're new to RVing and you didn't know this, make sure that when you show up to your campsite, we're gonna look here. We just turned this on. Actually, I didn't just turn it on. I'm about to turn it off because we're leaving. When we showed up, this was turned off. So we usually turn it back off when we leave. I'm turning the 30 amp on because I'm gonna use the 30 amp. This is the 50, this is the 30, this is your regular, they'll have a 15 or 20 amp breaker. So if you run in the 30, like a lot of RVs are, you can get an adapter to run a 15 and it converts it over to your 30, but you can't pull a lot of amperage with that. Or you could hook up to a 50 and have an adapter that goes from a 50 to a 30. The main thing I want to show you is to make sure you have some sort of a surge protector, something to let you know, a surge protector with a built-in analyzer. This, when we plug it in, if you can tell in the video, that gives you two yellow lights. Look down here, that's the correct wiring. Sometimes when we come across a campsite, these are wired wrong. Believe it or not, you'd think that you would never have that problem, but sometimes these are wired wrong. And if the wiring is wrong, you know, you could have a short inside your unit, or you just not have the power you're supposed to have, as in nothing's working. So check them out, make sure you have a good one, and if not, let somebody in the office know so you don't hook up to bad wiring. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.